It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, we do hair, nails, makeup, we do it all over here. Okay, so in this video we are doing a look for Earth Day. So as you can see, I have my muumuu on. Okay, we got the motherland vibes and stuff going on. Okay, I am going to be putting on a long wavy wig, more like a deep wave, and I'm going to be trying out these. Okay, so I got these from Amazon, and you know how I like to do like the colorful paint looks and stuff. So I got this. I saw another makeup artist who does like special effects. They recommended something like this, so we're going to give this one a shot. Okay, so we're going to be using this. Okay, so for today's look, I have like a whole idea in mind. All right, so just hang in here with me. All right, and let's do it. Okay, so in the comments below, I want you guys to let me know some things that you guys do to celebrate the earth, whether you recycle, whether you take walks or ride your bike instead of driving, like different little things like that. Put those kind of things in the comments so that if it's something that you know somebody else can do, we can give it a shot. Okay, so let's jump into this makeup look. Okay, so first I am going to use one of my brow pencils to kind of outline where I would like the earth to be. And this is really rough. I really love looking at the earth from the sky. If you haven't seen the Earth Day Nails video, definitely check that video out. But I really love that point of view where you're looking at the earth from space with the stars and everything around. So that is the perspective that I want to focus on for my eyes. Now that I have that on there, I'm going to try to use this black paint, and I think I'm going to go on top of it with some black eyeshadow. So midway through the look, I decided that I want to do kind of like a night, like a night and day, where one side is black and the other side is blue. So that's what we're gonna do. So far I have used the black and this light blue. And to set it, I went in with this black eyeshadow here and this light shimmery eyeshadow here. So now I'm going to use the Vaseline method to cut my crease. And I'm using this angled brush so that I can try to get my semicircles perfect. Now I'm going to go in with the dark blue. Now I'm going to go in with the green for the land. On this side, I'm going to put the sun right up under my brow bone over here. So this is what it looks like so far. I did go in and do some brows, and for this brow I just connected it with the black sky, and this brow I did it with the black eyeshadow as well. So I'm going to put some of my carrots glitter on the sun, and I'm going to put some sparks glitter for the stars. So the glitter is applied. I went in with one layer and then I just went like on top of that in windows for the stars, and over here I just packed in that yellow with the carrots glitter. Now I'm going to do my foundation and everything off camera, but I did go in with my foundation primer. This is something that I don't use as much when I'm filming, but it makes the finish look even better, so that's why I'm using it today. Definitely when I go out I use it, but I'm going to start using it more while I'm filming. And in order to clean this up, I just went in with a little tissue. Of course you can use a makeup wipe. So I'm going to use some of my hand sanitizer. I do carry this, so if you guys need hand sanitizer, let me know. I do have a lot of it in stock. But I'm going to get my hands all clean, and this has a citrus smell that smells amazing. And now I'm going to go in and do my foundation and put a wig on. So I did my foundation off camera, and I went in with my Ultimate Mascara and added a little of that so that I can put some lashes. For this look, I want the lashes to be a little wispy and see-through, so I'm going to go in with Fierce, and I put mascara on my lashes just to make them pop even more. So I'm going to apply these lashes, and for the lips, I just got these lip kits in. So this one is beautiful. I wore this one yesterday, but I'm going to use this one. They come with a lipstick and a lip liner, and this is the nude version, and that is just so pretty. Since I have a lot going on with the eyes, I'm going to use this one, but I'm going to show you the other one as well. This is the other one, and it is called Pink. And that color is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'm going to apply the lip and my lashes. So this is the look, you guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. This is just so pretty. We have the earth, day, and night. Okay, definitely leave me some comments below and let me know those things that you do to celebrate Earth Day. Let me know those things that you do so that you don't create a lot of waste and all of those kind of things. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, okay? Join the Itz Sirap family over here. We are growing slowly but surely, okay? So go ahead and join. I know y'all be watching, okay? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Go ahead and join the family, all right? I really enjoyed this look. I enjoyed using these paints here. I will have the link in the description bar to where I got these from on Amazon. And to seal it in, I just went on top of it with a powder. You can go on top of it with translucent powder, but I went in with the same exact color to add a little bit more pop and oomph to it, okay? And of course, the Itz Sirap glitters just, you know, take everything to a whole nother level. And look at these lashes, okay? Fierce is popping. Yes, you can see the earth through the lashes come through, okay? So definitely leave me some comments below and let me know if you would rock this for Earth Day, okay? If I had somewhere to go, trust and believe I would be wearing this to Walmart, okay? Anywhere. All right, but y'all have an awesome day. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
It is done, it's a wrap, no, we ain't playing games. Did your nails, did your makeup, and we didn't braids. Got them leggings for your girl, for your man, we got Jane. Products to spare, extensions for your hair, glitters and them lashes, self-care and passion. Custom wigs, strips and dips, yeah, we got our own spread. Specialty with jewelry, it's a wrap, LLC.